If the drain line is not fully cleared during cleaning, you will face rapid recurrence and escalating damage. A partial clog often leaves a thin film of debris that attracts more buildup and causes slow drains that come back within days. Start by breaking up compacted material with a mechanical auger, feeding it until you feel free rotation and backflow of loosened sludge. Follow immediately with a high-volume water flush, using a garden hose or a pump to push remaining particles through. Maintain steady pressure for at least 2 minutes per drain section. Complement the flush with a wet-dry vacuum on the cleanout or an accessible fixture to pull out suspended solids and prevent them from resettling deeper in the line. After clearing, verify success by running water at full flow at the downstream exit or an exterior drain until you see continuous, rapid discharge with no sputtering or pooling. Schedule a short follow-up inspection within 1 week to confirm nothing is reaccumulating and to catch hidden issues early. Use enzyme or bio-cleaners only as a maintenance step after mechanical clearing, never as the sole method for stubborn blockages. The 3 most common mistakes are relying solely on chemical cleaners, assuming a brief flush is enough, and skipping verification at the exit. Chemical cleaners can partially dissolve matter and harden organic residues, making future removal harder, so use them only after mechanical clearing or not at all for solid clogs. A quick, low-pressure rinse leaves fines behind that rapidly reattach, so always perform a sustained high-volume flush combined with vacuuming where possible. Finally, failing to check for free-flowing water at the line outlet misses residual obstructions. So always confirm visually or by feeling for steady flow at an external discharge and repeat the process until the flow is consistent. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where neighbors and professionals exchange practical tips and referrals related to maintenance pitfalls. We help contractors find work by listing opportunities and letting them engage directly with homeowners and our active forum.